Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this VICTGOAL bicycle like that. And the big thing is, it does not need any battery anymore. Nope. You can recharge this system by using USB cables. Really cool, because it's rechargeable. And it is StVZO approved. We have a 30 lux bicycle light set. The LED bicycle light front and rear lighting devices with battery bicycle lamp or bicycle lighting for your bicycle. It's a reliable bicycle light set. Straßenverkehrszulassung approved for public traffic in Germany. The specially shaped reflector of the front bicycle light ensures even illumination of the route. The anti-glare optical design provides us with a clear view and ensures our safety and that of our others at night time. And USB rechargeable, really cool. It's easy to recharge the battery packs in the front and rear lights. We're using the included USB cable on standard USB chargers. That means you can use power banks, you can use USB socket, you can use your computer, your laptop, or all kind of other devices which contains USB recharging as well. The front bicycle light is recharged in approximately 4 hours. The rear lights approximately in 2 hours. And we can use them with 2 lighting modes. We have 100% brightness with 30 lux for 3.5 hours and 50% brightness with 15 lux for 7 hours of use. The light range is of up to 200 meters and 50 lumens rear light with 6 hours of burn time in only one mode. And it's really easy to use. The front and rear bike lights can be installed in seconds or in a minute without additional tools. And the headlight can be removed without removing the entire bracket. The LED bike lights set is a good choice for our night ride. And it's lightweight and IPX4 waterproof. The LED bicycle light set weighs only 150 grams. That's super light. It's made of high density ABS materials and portable to carry. It is not just a bike light. It's either for cycling, camping and other outdoor activities because you can remove them easily and then you use it as a torch. And the IPX4 LED bike light is durable even in heavy rain and snow. The material is ABS. The light source is light emitted diodes. 50 lumens. The battery comes with 200 mAh rechargeable. The charging time is 2 hours. The discharge time is 6 hours. On the rear side, of course. And on the rear, we get a red light. This is always on. We have a modern design. It's waterproof and USB charging. The red light is on when charging. When fully charged, the red light goes off and you will see a green light. We open the dash cover, point the charger, head at the charging hole and insert the charger into the power supply. Job's done. Then it can be recharged. The built-in large capacity rechargeable lithium battery makes the job without worry. Carrying a flashlight is, of course, recommended. We use caution when handling the light may get hot. In LED thing, it's not so hot like Edison bulbs. We do not dismantle the light. We do not control any part of the system underwater. We do not look directly at the light every time, of course. We do not leave the light on an unattended area. We keep the light away from fire and compostable materials. We unplug the light charging cable once the battery is full charge. And the light is for bicycle use only. And the flashlight on the front side comes with 30 lux power or 15 lux eco, as we like. We can switch between them. The diameter of the bicycle handle is 25.4 up to 31 millimeter. We have a lithium battery built in, a 3.7 volt, 1200 milliamp hour. And it's easy to recharge, and we can easily attach it to the bicycle, as you can see. And then we can go on the road again with that VICTGOAL bicycle light set. It's USB rechargeable, StVZO approved, and it comes with 30 lux bicycle light set, the LED bicycle light for front and rear here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.